You talking about in the mud and start? Ooh, I'm gonna bust my ass. Come on, start in the mud. Well, this is the mud, ladies and gentlemen. This is the mud. This is gonna be a site wall. The pilings were too high, so we're chipping them down for the footer. Dug all this out. Very confined space that we have here. All right. Water some, you know, the water out, but barely holding on. This is mud. Shoes. All right. A lot of work here, man. A lot of work. I think that has to come down to, because the form, you have to have the piling, which is the bottom of this here, my finger right here, right there. It has to be at least 3 inches inside the form. So when we pour, you got at least 3 inches of the concrete inside the form and the thing. You can't be higher than that because we got a cage that's going to be going in. So you'll see that once we get everything situated. So we're over here chipping, walking in mud. These are my second pair of shoes. Now I got to figure out how to get out of here. Oh, I do have a ladder over there. So this is part of it, man. This is how the sausage is being made right now. A lot of stuff is going on here we got to get done, and then we'll get back on it on Monday. But yeah, it's the work, man. It's the work. It's the work. All right, so I don't think these pipes should have been installed yet, but that's just my line of thinking. Go up the ladder here. Let's see what they got going on over here. The house is done, which we did. Got the water pump. That's what that was. I couldn't think straight ahead. That was a water pump coming. Then forming up some spiral staircases here. Don't ask me how. It's just getting done. So this here is going to be a stairwell, staircases, all concrete. What the hell? As you can see how everything. Are you good, boss? I got my hat on. See how we got the steps coming all the way around, and it's going all the way up to the second floor. That's all going to be concrete. So this wood forming is exceptional. The guys knocked it out. Great job. Loving it. Hey, if you're going to do concrete stairs, and this is what you do. Alright? That's what we do for a living, ladies and gentlemen. I know. You'll probably see me later on with a cigar in my hand and a nice adult beverage. This is what it's about right here. Carpentry is fine. Hey, don't be stripping. Yeah. Yeah, so that's what it is. This is what it looks like on a Friday. Beautiful, beautiful, calm weather. Seas. They're doing all the framing right now. But I'm gonna show you when we pour this. It's gonna be something nice, man. Go all the way up there. Got the center sonotube column in the middle. And you're gonna come on down and you're gonna be overlooking this great room, which in fact is gonna be overlooking the intercoastal right here. So that's what we do. Stay tuned. Peace.